Are you tired of struggling with weight loss? No matter how hard you try, the results just don't show up? Well, in today's video, I'm about to share a proven strategy that will help you shed 10 kilograms in just 10 days without starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Millions of people have achieved incredible weight loss with this method every year, and now it's your turn. Stick with me till the end, because I'll provide you with everything you need. A detailed diet plan for both veg and non-veg eaters, home workouts, and mindset tips that'll keep you motivated. Don't miss a single part of this video. In this video, you'll discover the science behind rapid weight loss and why this plan works. A step-by-step guide to a 10-day weight loss plan with diet and workouts. How hydration, sleep, and mindset play a huge role in your success. Actionable tips and tricks that you can start today to kickstart your weight loss journey. Before we jump into the plan, let's quickly understand how weight loss happens in the body. When you eat fewer calories than your body needs, it starts burning stored fat for energy. But it's not just about cutting calories. The quality of what you eat, when you eat, and how you move your body all play an essential role. Also, your mindset can either accelerate or sabotage your results. The science is clear. Calories in versus calories out works, but so does your mindset and lifestyle. Now, let's break it down into 3 simple phases that will guide you through these 10 days. Let's start with phase 1. Kickstart your fat burn, where you lay the foundation for rapid fat loss. This phase will set your body up to begin burning fat efficiently. We'll dive into your diet for phase 1, giving you all the nutrition you need to stay energized and on track. For those following a non-vegetarian diet, here's what you'll be eating during phase 1 to fuel your body and boost fat burn. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing. Dinner: salmon fillet with roasted vegetables, zucchini, bell peppers, broccoli. Now, for our vegetarian friends, here's your phase 1 meal plan to make sure you're getting the right nutrients while burning fat. Tofu scramble with mushrooms and avocado. Lunch: quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, and feta cheese. Dinner: lentil stew with spinach and tomatoes. Let's talk about the exercise plan for phase 1. These are the moves you'll be doing at home to kickstart your fat burning and tone your body. 3 sets of 15 squats. Rest 30 seconds between sets. 3 sets of 10 push-ups. Use knees if needed. 3 sets of 20-second plank holds. Lastly, let's discuss the important mindset tip for phase 1. Remember, the first few days can be challenging, but staying positive and focused is key to success. During the first 3 days, you might feel some cravings or even frustration. That's normal. Remind yourself that you're building new habits. Stay focused and visualize your success. Now, moving on to phase 2. Accelerate your weight loss. This phase is all about ramping up your efforts to maximize fat burning and muscle tone. Time to adjust your diet for phase 2. We'll introduce new foods to speed up your metabolism and keep you on track for weight loss. Non-vegetarians, here's your phase 2 meal plan, packed with lean proteins and healthy fats to push your body to the next level. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. Lunch: turkey lettuce wraps with avocado. Dinner: grilled shrimp with asparagus and quinoa. For vegetarians, here's the phase 2 diet plan that keeps you energized and burning fat efficiently. Breakfast: oats with almond butter, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Grilled tofu with mixed greens salad. Dinner: cauliflower rice with stir-fried veggies and chickpeas. In phase 2, we're upping your exercise intensity to continue challenging your body and seeing faster results. 4 sets of 20 lunges, each leg. 3 sets of 15 burpees. 3 sets of 30-second plank holds. Your mindset during this phase is crucial. You're making real progress, and it's important to stay motivated and trust the process. By this phase, you should start noticing changes in your body. You'll feel more energized. Keep track of your progress and remind yourself how far you've come. Welcome to phase 3. Optimize and sustain. By now, your body is burning fat more efficiently, and we're going to make sure you maintain that momentum for long-term success. Your diet in phase 3 will focus on keeping your body nourished while maintaining the fat loss you've achieved. Non-vegetarians, here's your phase 3 meal plan. We're keeping it clean and nutrient-dense to fuel your progress and keep you feeling great. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with bell peppers and turkey bacon. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. Dinner: fish tacos with cabbage slaw and avocado. Here's the phase 3 meal plan, designed to help you maintain your results while continuing to lose weight. Breakfast: smoothie with almond milk, spinach, chia seeds, and banana. Lunch: quinoa bowl with roasted veggies, hummus, and avocado. Dinner: grilled vegetable stir-fry with tempeh. Your exercise plan in Phase 3 will focus on toning your body and reinforcing the hard work you've put in over the past few days. 5 sets of 20 jumping jacks, 4 sets of 20 mountain climbers, 3 sets of 40-second plank holds. By Phase 3, you've built solid habits. Now, your mindset needs to be one of resilience and belief in your ability to sustain this transformation. By the end of this phase, you'll have experienced noticeable results. Keep going strong, stay confident in your progress, and remember that this isn't just a 10-day plan. It's the start of a healthier lifestyle. Now let's talk about hydration and sleep. These two factors are essential for effective weight loss, and they often get overlooked. Hydration. Drinking water helps your body burn fat more effectively. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. You can even add lemon or cucumber for extra detox benefits. Sleep. Adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours, is critical for weight loss. Lack of sleep can mess with your hormones, making you hungrier and less likely to make healthy choices. So aim for restful sleep each night to give your body the best chance to burn fat. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to ensure your success. First, track your progress. Take pictures or measure your waistline every few days. This will keep you motivated. Second, stay consistent. The key to any weight loss plan is consistency. Stick to the plan, and results will follow. Third, don't skip meals. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism. Keep your meals spaced out and balanced. This plan isn't just a quick fix. It's a roadmap to help you create lasting habits for a healthier life. Millions of people have used this method to lose weight and transform their bodies. And now, it's your turn. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below about your progress. I can't wait to hear how this plan works for you. See you in the next video.